जी, गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Yes, good morning to you.
कैसे हैं सर?
I'm keeping fine.
ओके सर, जैसे कि मैं आपके बारे में कुछ जानना चाहूँगी।
Yes.
जैसे कि आपका नाम क्या है? आप कहाँ से बिलॉन्ग करते हैं और आपकी क्वालिफ़िकेशन क्या है?
Okay. First, my name is Francis Xavier.
या
I am from Kolkata
या
and I have done my BA B.Ed, and additionally I have also done my PRO course at the USIS Information Service, Kolkata.
ओके, थैंक यू सर। जैसा कि सर आप हमारे स्कूल आए हैं पढ़ाने के लिए, तो आपका मेन उद्देश्य क्या है?
The main reason is that you see I'm a man from Kolkata, from a cosmopolitan city, and over here you have mostly all local teachers. And I thought if I show my experience and my expertise in how to take the classes, how to conduct a lesson, how to maintain quality control in classes, this will be a much beneficial to many of the local teachers who are here, and I'm quite certain they'll be benefited. And I also want that children will learn the new techniques and the new order of teaching, how I'm going to teach them, whether they'll be able to grasp of what I am teaching. Of course, here I'll put Hindi as well as English in order to children will understand the topic properly.
ओके, ओके, थैंक यू सर। और सर आपको क्या लगता है कि हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे कितने दिनों में इंग्लिश सीख जाएँगे प्रॉपर्ली?
This is a very complex question, because you understand one thing that Bihar is a very strong Hindi belt, but still English is there. And regarding your children, they come from the rural area and they don't have that environment. They don't have those kind of society over there where from they can speak to them in English or they can speak with the children in English. So it's very difficult, but somehow some effort has got to be made. But yet school we can do everything. We can give them the translation books. We can make a group discussion in one topic in English and Hindi, and gradually here they will learn. But once they go home, they forget everything there. This is very difficult. I just don't know what to do about that.
जैसा कि सर अभी आप इतनी सारी बातें बताए हैं, अगर आप इसको थोड़ा हिंदी में अगर एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, तो हमारे बच्चों को और ऑडियंस को समझने में काफ़ी ज़्यादा सहायता मिलेगी।
मैं उन लोगों को बताऊंगा हाउ टू टेक अ क्लास, व्हाट इज द क्वालिटी ऑफ क्लासरूम टीचिंग, क्लास में कितनी आवाज़ होना, आपका इंटोनेशन कितना होना चाहिए, एक चैप्टर आपको किस तरह का खत्म करना चाहिए, बच्चे के साथ आपको किस तरह बात करना चाहिए, कैसे उनसे प्रश्न पूछा जाए. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे मस्ट get to know from someone from the outside, well, like I have come. And I think this will be beneficial not only for the teachers but for the children as well as for the school management. Over here, the cooperation of the management is very vital. They should also cooperate with us when we say something. We should not just preach but not practicing. Practice what you preach. आप जो बोलते हैं करके दिखाइए. बस यही मेरा उद्देश्य है इन लोगों के साथ.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।